Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Your Activity section. Now tap on Activity Log. From here, tap on Activity History. This is where you can view everything you've done on Facebook, like your searches and visits. If you only want to delete something specific, like a single post or search, tap on the three dots beside that activity. Then tap Delete and confirm by tapping Delete again. That particular activity will now be removed. But if you want to delete all of your Facebook activity at once, here's what you need to do. Go back to the main settings page and tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then select Your Activity across Meta Technologies. Now tap on Clear Previous Activity. Go through the information that appears, then tap Clear Previous Activity again to confirm. Once you do that, all of your Facebook activity will be deleted at once. And that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.